All right, so terrible advice in that last video. I did this totally wrong. So first thing we need to do is delete this scroll bar. Just get rid of it. Back up to insert. We actually want to use the form control, not the active X control. So we want to use the ones up here. All right, form controls. So click on scroll bar, and we can move it across just like this, and it will pop up. All right. Now you notice as you click on it, it moves over a little. It doesn't do anything. You can also drag it. You have the slider. You can move it back and forth. So what we need to do is set the control. All right. So we go over here to control. So its current value is 6. All right. It has a maximum value of 100, minimum value of 0. So what we want to do is set it that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7. All right. So its minimum value will be 1. Its maximum value will be 7. Its incremental change, each time it will go by 1. All right. And it will give us the result right here. All right. And the current value, we need to go back and reset that. Okay. So 6 is right there. All right. So let's see what we got here. All right. We move it back to the beginning, semester 2. Actually, we need to, all right, make it just a little bit longer. If we right click on it. I mean, the good thing is that it works. Just want to kind of drag it out a little bit if we can. There we go. And drag this end out just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So now it's in term 1. We click. Whoops, got to click off. Click on term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. Not term 5, sorry, semester 2, semester 6. And as you can see, as we click the button, it shifts this number over in L3 and causes the graph to change. All right? Which goes for this very exciting dynamic chart. All right, so this does not look like much of a dashboard because we have all this stuff here, all this other information. Actually, you know what? I don't like this either. So let's see. I'm going to right-click on it. Let's shrink it down again. Aesthetics are very important when it comes to making dashboards. All right, there we go. And click off, click back on. So it's not like perfectly lined up, but I think it's much better. So term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6, term 7. All right, so you get the idea. Then what you would do is you take your chart. Oops, I don't want year. That's not what I want us to do. Let's undo that. Take your chart and then plop it right on top of the calculation so you can't see it. And now, oops, escape. There we go. It just shifts automatically for you. All right. It looks so much better. Let's do this. I don't want this to be auto. No, I want this to be, the highest number is 6. So 1 to 6. I do not want it to be, there we go. Enter. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Nope, that's not what I wanted either. 1 to 6. Okay. So I think we may have, yeah, there we go. So much better. So now the x-axis does not change. All right. So we don't have we have the grades changing, but not the x-axis. All right. Which makes it look a lot better. Okay, you can go 1 to 10, however many people are in your class, just an aesthetic choice. All right, so to review, we have our index equation. Sorry, let me escape out of here. Index equation, which will call up whatever number from this array, will call up whatever column is represented by the number in L3. We use the scroll bar to change that data, and you can see it switching. All right. So let's do this again, except this time we'll do it with the letter grades.